our quiz.
You're so funny, Haley.
Me?
Yeah.
I try.
I just remember, in class on Monday.
What did
when we
I say?
had
What did I do on Monday?
Now remember that Brother Shaw.
Yeah.
One of the quiz questions was the one that.
Oh, yeah. I do remember that. I was like, thanks. Hey, Camilo, are you doing it on your phone?
That's why.
I think
Maybe that's
so,
what
because you've never had quite a connection quite so bad. I don't know if you've ever done it. You've done it on your phone before, but you're cutting out
Yeah,
really
I don't know.
bad.
Let me try to do it from my computer really quick.
Okay.
I already opened it to see if it works better. Oh.
So have either of you already done the quiz?
No. Have you?
Yeah, I've done it.
Hey, there's
Two me.
me.
Oh, that's weird. Oh yeah, see that's weird.
Sorry.
I don't know why, but it is.
That was so funny. Okay. Is it better?
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, let's do it. Wait, Haley, do you already do it, or only Keith?
No. I started doing it, but I got interrupted by children.
No, I've done it.
Story of my life. Okay.
Okay. So
I can read the first.
sweet.
Okay. So while you are required, we've already done that. Yeah, okay.
In a
So
pie chart, right?
calculating anything to 3 decimals. Okay. In a pie chart, why are the slices / sectors different sizes? The size of each slice. Categories. Each slice represents a category. C. Each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total. Yeah, that one.
Same.
Okay. Okay. How are bar charts and Pareto charts? I always say that wrong. Related. Pareto charts. Sorry, I'm reading it to myself now. C.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Use the following information for the next 3 questions. We conclude that whatever that I just recognize it by the symbol. So sorry. Is normally distributed with all of that information. Is P the true proportion or the sample proportion? So P would be the sample proportion.
I think it will be true, wouldn't it?
Why would it be true?
True proportion.
Yeah, because the one with the P with the hat is the sample proportion, right?
With the hat.
It has a little hat on it.
Oh,
like me.
right. Oh, right. You're right. Okay.
Yeah.
Does someone else want to read?
Yeah, I can help.
Okay,
Sorry.
go for it.
I'm like, keep reading. What is N?
It's a letter in the alphabet after M.
That's true. And
I'm
before
sorry.
P.
That's my brain tonight.
And oh no, before sorry, elemental P. Yeah. Sample size, right?
Sample size.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I can read next. If P is 1/4 what is the smallest and that satisfies the requirement? Needs to be bigger than 10, right?
I
Yeah.
thought-
So would it be 40?
Yep.
Yep. What is the mean of the true proportion? Round to the nearest 10th place.
It'll be p is 0.4.
Yeah.
It's the same, right?
0.4?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay.
What is the standard deviation of p?
Sorry. Go for it.
That's fine. The standard deviation of p round answer to the 10th place. Where's the formula for that? Do we have to do it with a formula, right?
I think so. From
Yeah.
Is that the one, the square root of p parentheses 1 minus p close parentheses over n? Is that one?
yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
So I'm trying to find my calculator in my backpack.
So it will be 0.4 1 minus 0.4 over 24. I can hear you, baby.
That's not my baby, actually. I think that's Keith's.
That's
Well, I can hear El baby then.
For once, it's not mine.
I got 0.1.
0.1.
yep.
Yeah. Okay. Do we move to the next question?
Yeah. So Brittany's batting average is 0.300. We want to determine the probability that she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 bats. N equals 100 and P equals 0.3. What is the true proportion?
So P3, right? 0.3.
Yes, 0.3.
No.
Oh,
No. So for this to get the batting to do it, you have to divide the number of hits by the sample size. That's
so
the p
35
hat in
over
this
100?
case. Correct.
But wouldn't it be, but why is P equal to 0.3? I thought the sample proportion was the same of the population proportion.
This isn't the mean of them. The mean
Yeah.
of p hat is p, but this isn't the mean.
Oh,
So
okay.
you're looking for p hat, which is
It's not
35.
0.3. It will be 0.35 or so,
Yeah.
0.035, right?
Yep, 0.35.
Oh, I see. Yes, that does make sense.
I got cool. So next question says, what is the standard deviation of p hat? Okay, so for that,
Isn't it the where's that equation? I remember reading it. Let me find it.
would it be 0.3 parentheses 1 minus 0.3 over 100, right?
Should be.
So I got 0.046.
0.046.
Yeah. That's what I got. I don't know. So what you guys got?
Hang on.
It is,
Okay.
but when I first entered it in, I accidentally put in 2 decimals somehow. So I don't know if it's correct, but that's what I got.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's, I got 0.04546. Sorry. Okay, wait, guys. Wait a second. I'm just gonna grab little thing.
Okay, so if we have that standard deviation, can't we put that into the app? Hang on, let me look. Can't you put her batting average into the applet?
Hello? I'm
Hey.
back.
Okay. So Keith, can't you just put her batting average into the applet and get the Z-score
Yeah.
into the area, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Remember, this one, it wants to know, she'll get more than. So it's a right tail.
Right. So everything's
So-
over 0.3, right?
35. So they want to know if she got more than 35 hits. So you do the P tail, the 0.35. They want to know, like, what's the chance of getting more than that?
Are we doing question 12, right?
Correct.
So in order to get the Z-score, do we input
The
0.35
batting average
in,
into the area of the probability applet.
the batting average? So 0.35, right?
0. Right, Keith?
What did you get?
So you would put her batting average 0.300 into the area of the probability applet and then highlight everything to the right. Right?
In this case, they want to know the 0.35. So they want to know what if she'll get more than, and remember the P score for that is 0.35.
Yeah.
So I think he's put in the point. I can't remember though. Let me see. Tell me your
Then
Z
what do you
score. I'm gonna open up the applet real quick, but
So, okay. Z-score. Where is this? Mm. Oh, there's a formula too for the Z-score. Oh, Haley.
yeah, I think that's what I did.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it is sample P minus P over the square root of P parentheses 1 minus P close parentheses over N. That's
That's not complicated at all.
you should have it on the reading.
Yeah, I see it here.
Okay. So it'll be 0.35
I have
minus 0.3, right?
right for
Over
batting average.
square root of 0.3, 1 minus 0.3 over 100. So for that, okay. I got 1.091.
1.091.
Yeah.
That's correct. I just put in 1.09 and it gave it to me. It says say 3 decimal places. So
You got Haley.
Oh, okay. I see what I was doing wrong. I was like, I got 0.03 something, and then I figured out what I got wrong. So, okay. What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 bats? Okay, so that's when you'd put the Z score in there, and then highlight to the right.
yes.
Where in the Ev11 is the okay? There we go.
You guys get 0.1376?
Yeah, I just did 0.138.
1 point, yeah.
Whoa, you got what now?
0.138.
Oh, Haley, come on, get with it, Haley. Okay. Yeah, 0.138. Got that. I had an extra section highlighted. 0.8.
Okay, I can read the next one.
Go for it.
Next question. If the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is P equals 0.52 and N 2,000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. What is the standard deviation of P hat? Okay. So this kind of losing the election. So in order to get the sample probability, the sample proportion, do we graph 1,000 over 2,000? Is that what we do? No.
So you're going to have to do the standard deviation formula.
For the standard, but we need p hat first, right? Because we don't have it.
It's yeah.
So in order to get p hat, so we do the standard deviation. How do we find p hat? Do we find it by doing
It's x over n, so your average or your mean over the sample size.
Yeah, so we n is 2,000, but what is x? That will be 50% of 2,000. Would that be 1,000?
It'd be wouldn't it be the 52? The 0.52 of 1,000, so 52% of 1,000.
So
What?
looking for 52% of 1,000, it'd be point
Or 2,000, sorry.
1,000. .52 times 2,000. So 1,000 of 1,040. And then you'd use the standard deviation formula, right?
Yeah.
Wait, so p hat is 1,040?
1,040. That's what I got. If you're doing 52% of 2,000, you're gonna do 0.52 times 2,000.
But it doesn't make sense.
Hey, Matthew just messaged us, said he didn't get an invite.
Oh, okay. I'll send it again. Send it again.
Because if the p is 0.52, wouldn't p hat have to be a decimal too, like be really close?
I don't know. Keith, how did you do it the first time?
I don't know. I did it a week ago.
At least you're on top of it.
Let me see here.
Because what I'm thinking, it's 1,000 over 2,000, because that's what I think. That will give us a p hat of 0.5. If you do 1,000 over 2,000, there will be a sample proportion of 0.5, and that it comes to my mind because it says that 2,000 people are surveyed. We want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. So that's why, I don't know why, but that's why I'm thinking.
Hello.
So, hello.
Sorry, guys, I
Because
didn't participate. I've been I work every Tuesday from like 3 to 10, 3:11. So I can't get that off or can't change it. So I'm sorry.
No, no worries.
And I got it for the day because I cut myself, so that's why I'm participating today.
Oh,
But okay, so going back to the question, I think so. I'm getting a p hat of 0.5, and that will be really close to 0.52. So I don't know if that's maybe that.
What problem are you guys on?
14, question 14, lesson 16 quiz.
Keith, what answer did you get?
0.011.
For the standard
0.0.
deviation?
Yeah, for the standard deviation.
Okay, let me try to do it. But what p hat do you use? Do you have it?
I don't have it.
Okay, let me see if it's.
Because he was
And-
like,
Let me pull it back up for a formula here.
What's up?
They need you up there. You just fill up a integrated form.
Okay.
Standard deviation.
so I don't know if I'm just doing my equation wrong, but when I use 1040, that's like way wrong. So I think
Yeah.
I might be right.
Let's try to do it with 0.50. I think that could work. Let's see. So it will be 0.52. Oh wait, for standard deviation you don't really need a p. Oh, do you need a p hat? No. Oh, you don't. You don't.
My thing's still loading. Give me a second.
What do you get, Keith, again for the standard deviation?
For the standard deviation, I got 0.011.
0.011.
Yep.
Why? I'm getting 0.721 with 0.52.
Okay. My thing, it won't open up the chapter.
Because I'm looking at the formula and it says the standard deviation of p hat, it's square root of p, open parentheses, 1 minus p, close parentheses, over n. And that's what I just did, but it's not giving me. So I'm getting 0.721.
Did you do the 0.5 then?
No, I did a 0.52. So the p it's in the problem.
So, oh, that's what I did. Okay, I forgot. So yeah, it is. You're right. So P, your probability. Let me see here. Let me check. Yeah, so P is 0.52. That is the formula. Let me try. I'm gonna calculate it real quick. Give me a second.
Yeah, because so the formula that I'm looking at right now, it's square root of p, open parentheses, 1 minus p, close parentheses, over n. So I did square root of 0.52, 1 minus 0.52 over 2000. But it's giving me 0.721.
I got 0.011.
Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Wait, what do you plug in the formula?
So I got the square root of 0.52 parentheses 1 minus 0.52 parentheses divided by 2000. All of that in the square root.
Okay, I got it. I was missing a parenthesis. 0.011 Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, gosh. 0.011, right? We got it.
Yep.
All right. So what question are we on now?
15.
15.
15.
Okay. Let me pull up my thing on my phone.
Okay. So this question 15 is asking, what t-score would you use? So in order to find the c-score, it's another formula. So it would be 0.011 minus 0.52 over the square root of 0.52 1 minus 0.52. What the? No way. What is that sound?
I really don't know what that sound is.
I don't know. I had my microphone muted.
Sound are you talking about, Camille?
What is that?
What sound are you talking about?
I don't know. I hear like a. I don't know how to explain it, but I heard a sound. I can explain it to you in Spanish, maybe.
So 15. Are we on to 15 then?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for 15, I'm getting negative 45. I don't know why.
No.
I was like, what?
Wait, so in order to find the c-score, Keith, do we use the formula p hat minus p over square root of p1 minus p over n?
I don't know. I'm hearing that weird car sound.
Right?
Hey, I'm
Matthew,
just out of my work.
Are you
What?
driving, Matthew?
No, I'm not driving. I'm about to drive, but it's probably not the smartest idea.
I'm sitting in my front room and we had a truck drive by, but I can't imagine my mic is that sensitive.
It was probably it was probably me 'cause I was just walking out of my work and there's just a lot of noise outside the building.
Keith,
Yeah.
Okay.
so
I'm in my car. It's nice.
what do you get for the c-score? Because I can't find it.
Negative 1.79.
Negative 1.79. So how do you do that? Do you use the c-score equation?
I'm trying to get it to come back up. My stupid computer keeps closing.
Because I'm looking at a slide right now that from the lesson, and it says c-score equals p hat minus p over
Minus
square root
P.
of.
Yeah, that's it's the it's p hat or the p minus p hat over basically it's the z-score but with different variables. It's that equation.
Yeah, so it's P hat minus P over the square root of P times 1 minus P over N.
Mm-hmm. So
Make sure you put your parentheses in the correct place too, because it'll change your answer.
So maybe what I could do point.
So I'm getting negative 1.79.
Correct.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got that too.
Oh, you guys suck. Wait, I'm working on it. 0.52. What do you get? Oh, gosh, dang. Wait, so the standard deviation is 0.011, right? I got that right.
Correct.
Yeah. So I'm doing 0.011 minus 0.52, right?
good, Camilo. You just like go through the steps.
I don't know why. Like I'm doing the equation, but I'm not getting the results.
Are you trying to find the z-score still?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll just type. I trust you guys. I'll try. I work on it before. What do
Well-
you get, Keith, again?
So
Yep.
me and Keith got negative 1.79.
1.79. So negative 1.79, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Hello,
Last question. The survey results will show the candidate losing even though the true P is 0.52.
What is the probability, sir?
You plug the z-score back into the normal app, and then that's how you find the probability.
Then shade it to the left, right?
To the
Yes.
left. To the left. There we go.
So would that be 0.038?
I got 0.037.
0.037. That's what I meant.
Whoa. You guys got 0.037?
Yeah.
I have 0.0427. What the heck?
Are you shading it just to the left of your z-score?
Yeah. What was our z-score?
Now
Negative 1.72, right?
No, negative 1.79.
Oh, gall. Sorry. Apparently Haley can't figure out how to type tonight.
It's all right.
Yes, that is what I got as well.
All right.
Cool. Hey guys, this is Matt. I just want to apologize for not being present for the past like 2 or 3 weeks. My schedule's just been all over the place, and it's only gonna get crazier. So I do apologize, and I'm trying everything I can to be an active participant. It's just very difficult for me sometimes.
That's okay. I mean, if you got work, nothing you can do
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah, I mean, what can I do
I don't,
to help you guys out more? Is there anything I can do or anything you guys can think of that I can do to kind of prepare beforehand or kind of help out in any way possible?
I suppose like if you couldn't make it, I suppose what you could do is if you had a chance to do the quiz beforehand or look at it, you could just like go on to Google Hangouts and just post what you did and what you got, and then we can kind of just see what you did so we can look over our own work maybe. I don't know if that's helpful to anyone else, but it's helpful for me to see other people's work so I can look over what I've done.
You mean like, so I think what I'll do is I'll do the work. Like I'll do like if it comes to like an equation or something like that, I'll try to do the work on a piece of paper and I'll take a picture of it and I'll post it in the group chat. How does that sound helpful?
Yeah, that works. That works fine. It'd probably be easier to do like write it on a piece of paper than type it out because equations are like that.
Yeah, no, for sure. All right. I know we have a group project coming up to prepare for
Do
the
we?
end. Do we? I thought I read something about it.
oh,
Where have
please
you
no.
been?
Yeah, there's stuff due Saturday, too.
Why?
It's due this Saturday?
Something due this Saturday. I don't know what it is.
Do we
Okay.
start? Are we gonna start quiz 17, right?
Do you guys mind if we meet tomorrow night to do that? Since I have other stuff due at 11.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm totally fine with that. I don't have work tomorrow,
So tomorrow, what time? Oh crap! Wait, what time tomorrow?
Same.
Whatever works for you guys.
Wait. So I can tomorrow because I'm like busy until like 10, 11 p.m. What time? When is the next?
It's due on Thursday.
Can we meet on Thursday then?
Um,
I'm good with that.
I have
So, like,
work,
tomorrow-
but I can try to give you guys what I got in terms of like trying to
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
you guys want
because
me-
tomorrow night I finish class at 7 and then I have something going on from 8 to 10.
That's fine.
So
No, that's
so we can
understandable.
meet. I can meet on I can meet on Thursday night anytime between like 6 and 8:30. I don't know if that works for you guys.
I'll be out of reception again at that time. I won't be able to do it.
What time will be the best for you, Keith?
Probably after 8:30
After
on
8:30.
Thursday if we're gonna do it.
I can do that late.
I'll be at work, but I'll try to submit my work to you guys, just so you guys have kind of what my thoughts were on the quiz, and so I'm not totally out of the loop.
I think I'm gonna do the same that Matthew is gonna do because I won't be able to meet on Thursday after 8. So I guess I'll just submit my answers to or some. That's what we're doing, right, Matthew?
Yeah, well, that I'm gonna try to do that because it just my schedule's all messed up and weird. But I mean, if everybody's okay with that, I'd still like to meet on. I can definitely meet tomorrow night.